Today we want to learn how to merge two tables with summarizing. So we have a table with invoices and we have a table with details about those invoices, and we want to add some informations to our invoices, and we don't want too much details. We want, for example, sum of unit price, quantity, average, and similar things. So first of all, we have to load our tables to Power Query. So from Data tab, go from Table Range to Power Query. First the details table, and everything looks fine. So close and load to, and this table we want to import only as a connection, and press OK. Yeah, we load this table, and now we want to load the second one. So from table range, and now we want to merge queries. We don't need to merge as a new query. We can just merge inside of our new query T invoices. So let's merge. Okay, so we don't need to expand this. Just click this command, merge queries, and we want the second table, and we are merging based on invoice ID, and we can see we will have different numbers of rows matching one row from our top table. So for this row we can see 2 rows here, and we can see each row from our top upper table has a match in the second column, and we are using left outer join. Okay, so press OK, and we can see a table. So for each row we match a table rows from the second column, and we can see 2 rows, 3 rows, and here we see 5 rows, and we want to count some of those options from the other table. So we don't want to expand our information, we want to aggregate them. And first of all, we can count of item, and we can just count, so we will know how many item was on the invoice. Then we can sum the quantity, but I don't want sum of the quantity. I want the average number of items. So how can I do it? I can change, expand this small triangle here and change to average, and I want the sum of unit price, but I also want to find the median of this value. So I will expand this and check proper checkboxes I want, so I can even add more those calculations. And I don't use original column name as a prefix, so now I can just press OK, and now I have more detailed information about invoices. So I count the number of items, I have an average of quantity, I have a sum of unit price, so sum of whole invoice, and we can find also a median of the unit price. And if I want to change the name of the column, so we have merge queries and we have the names of the new columns. I can change it in formula bar. For example, count of items. Yeah, it's so just change to count, and we can see our other columns. And sometimes we will need to find the proper data tab for each column we are adding here. So average quantity is decimal and count was proper. As a decimal it's not much, it's always will be a whole number, and it now looks good. So we can go to home tab, close and load to as a new table. So table existing worksheet, and here is okay. Let's press OK and we can see our results. Once again, if we have currency data type in Power Query, it doesn't mean we will get currency formatting in Excel. We have to add this ourselves.